Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a sketch of a person lying down and from a lounging perspective but shown from the bottom. So let's say that we were to do an illustration as part of a panel of illustrations in which we were to show some dynamic placement of a person. This would really be helpful. So we're going to put in the most essential thing, that is two key shapes from that particular angle, and which are actually increasing in size as we go. Move that over a little bit, so ending somewhere there. So that end is going to essentially have the feet, and in that let's actually bring that up a little bit and have it meet right here. So let's say that this was actually the seating, and it had those legs here, and the person is like lounging on this. So we would place the frame here, of course, and now we could do another box shape to make this really work. So one box shape, let's put a two-dimensional box shape for this person to work off of, and right here we put in another box that grows larger till here and ends about somewhere there, so it's sitting there. So now we'll use that to construct the person. So there's a slight curvature in this lounging back pose. So that's the body shape right there. So leg placement right there. So it's growing, and we come right here to the first foot, which will place slightly tilted here. Go back again. There's the heel. And if you were to look right through the bench, let's say, it would appear somewhat like that. And then of course the other leg going right around there, and let's say that the foot is placed like so in a relaxing position. For the upper body, chest around here, arms, let's say the arms are up and going backward. We have done other videos like this with this lounging sort of pose, but this is another angle. So you can see the person is already pretty much on that bench or the lounging chair or whatever we want to call it. So hands of course behind the head, and the head could be in a laid back position somewhat like that, and there's the collarbone and the chest showing like that. So there we have it, a foreshortening sort of thing. Now we could move this closer in the sense that we can have the angle tilt, and of course with that tilt we would have the placement of the leg change, become closer to the body, perhaps come in close like that. Not much will change, except of course the placement of the other foot. It could go around the same angle, or we could always, even in the other case, of course, place the other foot right beside the other one. So we could do the cross or slightly cross, or we could move the other leg backward a little bit, have the entire structure come in, and the foot would go somewhere on top of this one if we want. But of course that other leg is not really visible. But so different options right there in this lounging pose seen from this perspective with foreshortening. Please do let us have your comments and share your ideas. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.